Okay, so let's take a look at how you can make particle effect of rain in GDevelop. So what I'm going to do is open GDevelop, create new project, make sure that your main scene has a darker background so that it will be easy for you to view the effect. Alternatively, you can also have background that can display those small particles falling from top to bottom. So like when we run this, it should be pretty much visible. So for your sake, I have managed to turn the background into this gray color. So that's it. Next would be we have to add particle emitter object. So we will click on add new object, then go to particle emitter. Now here I have to name this rain. Then for particle kind, we are going to make it line, then set the length to 5, its thickness to 1 as is. Then I want rain to be white. If you want any other color, like start from say blue like this and end with white, you can do so, right? Also make sure to change your opacity from 255 to 0, right? Then maximum number of particles displayed, set it to 300. Then number of particles in tank -1. Then flow of particles, let's increase this to 100. Then comes part for minimum and maximum emitter force applied. We set that to 100, sorry, right? And comes the spray cone angle, which is 90 here. We have to change that to 1, right? And we can also change this maximum emitter force to 150 if you want a bit higher. Then radius of emitter, let's go for higher value, say 40 or 400. Okay, that's fair. Then gravity 0, 0. Then comes the friction part. You can keep it as is or experiment with that. Then comes particle minimum lifetime. Let's set this to 3. Maximum lifetime to also 3. Then start and end size remain at 100, 100. And its rotation speed to 0, 0 as well. Now apply this and save, then drop it on screen, right? Make sure to change angle so that it looks like rain from top to bottom. Also increase its spread, right? Now save and now run. And here you can see I have to fix a bit of its spread. As you can see, it's mostly on the left hand side, so I have to adjust with that spread and increase its area so that it can take entire screen. Okay, you can also experiment with the color, okay, right? So it comes out as a bit whitish blue, so experiment with that change of gradient color and you have much better rain as well. You can also increase the size of raindrop over here. Okay, so a few of those things you can make changes with the settings of your particle emitter. It would be easier to view the way you want it. Okay, so you get the idea how to make use of particle effect of rain in GDevelop.